In this episode, you will see us get the car in the workshop, you will see us stripping down the car, you will see some of the Rollcage build. I am Mathias from Norway. I run and own a company called Grimstad Ship Tuning. We are normally doing software tuning. The past year has given me opportunity to get customers that want custom work on cars, like stainless steel welding, aluminum welding, and stuff like that. The past 5-6 years I have built some cars for myself that I actually have driven myself, and on that way we have experienced things and solutions that work. Some solutions work very well, and a lot of solutions doesn't work at all. This build is different from the previous builds I have done before. Mainly it's because it's a brand new car, the 2020 model. When you're building a new car like this, you have to do a lot of custom work. To build a car like this in a short period of time, it gives us a big challenge. This car is going to compete in competition, therefore the car has to work. You can't deal with problems and things that doesn't work in a competition. You can't just order overnight parts from Japan.
You know what? This will decimate all after. You put about 15 grand in it or more if we have to. Overnight parts from Japan.
You have to make the parts from scratch every time. When the car is so new, everything has to be made custom. And that gives us a lot of new challenges we haven't experienced before. One thing you can see in this movie is actually we are using dry ice as asphalt plate remover. The traditional way to remove the dumping plates is to use a scrape and a lot of washing with the glue sticking behind when it's removed. But with dry ice we freeze down both the glue and the plate that will actually explode when we hit it with a hammer. We save a lot of time with this solution.
My name is Simon Olsen. I'm 22 years old from Høvåg in South Norway. I've been drifting for 4 years now. My goal for the car is to make it as reliable and competitive as possible, at the same time having high quality and high finish on the car. We also want to build it on Formula Drift spec, to maybe one day can compete in Formula Drift. We have tried for probably 4 or 5 months to get just a shell, but that seems to be very much impossible for us. So we had to buy a complete car. Taking a complete car with everything is clean, it's every bolt and screws on the car are loose, it's not rusty or that, so it's very easy to work on. The Mark IV Supra has been my favorite car for decades, since I was a small boy and went to a car meet with my uncle. I saw this candy blue Supra, and since that I've been sold. It's my favorite car, and yeah. So when the A90 Supra came out, I had a wild dream that one day I'm gonna build that to a drift car. And here we are, having the car. We chose Linnerud because of my previous cars had Linnerud roll cage. It's a great cage, high finish, good quality, and that's very important for me. That's why we chose him, as well as we want to use Norwegian's company and persons to get us Norwegian car as possible.
The trip to Linderud was a long trip. It was over 800 kilometers. In Norway we have a lot of speed cameras and average speed cameras, as you can see on this movie.
Two hours later.
If you like what you see, you can follow us on social media, Grimstad Chip Tuning on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, and you can follow my site, Simon Olsen Drifting, on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.